CAD yen, after target 2 was hit, we came back down and we found support, and it's now pushing up. I want to see how today will end. If today ends above this, then I'll be very confident that next week we'll be running this high. Yeah, if we end up today being above here, then I'll be very confident that next week we'll be running this high. So let's see how this ends today. If we end up above here next week, we'll be looking for a run above this high. For now, it looks like we are currently sitting, okay, this week's range, because we started Monday and then we drove down and we've come back to 618. That's where we find support. Okay, again, I've taught this, you want to be steady in it and see that relationship. Okay, but let's see if we can breach this high. If we do, then I'll be confident that next week we might see potentially price running these highs in here, because they've already done runs on stops down here. Yeah, right here you can see they've already run stops, right? And then we have equal highs sitting up there. Okay, so smart money, if they run stops, and they picked up orders, okay, it's two things that's going to happen: rebalancing and then price changing direction. So with all this move to the downside to run this stop, two things can happen. One, rebalancing. So rebalancing to where this last up candle here, rebalancing to the last up candle there, and a potential, two things: rebalancing here, we drop down, or stop run and then we take out this side. Those are the two options. Okay, so it's either they are running stops, coming back to rebalance and then send price down, or they are running stops and then coming back up to take out this high. Those are the two scenarios. Okay, so let's see if we run above this high, then I'll start suspecting they're gonna take out this high. But again, I'll go and check what I thought yesterday. Okay, using we're gonna do a part 3 today using the futures market, and then determine which or what should happen.